I cook your 2.5 pounds of ground meat. I'm gonna brown it. Then I'm gonna drain any excess grease. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in 1 pack of taco seasoning mix. I'm gonna add in my mushrooms. I'm gonna add in a can of corn. All right, so now the taco seasoning, mushrooms, and corn is all mixed in. I had the heat on 3, so for me, that's gonna be just low heat. Now it is kind of noteworthy to say I am putting in this manwich, but keep in mind I did put in the taco seasoning. That's just because this manwich is only for 1 pound of ground meat, and I'm doing 2.5 pounds. So I figured I'd go ahead and throw in the packet of taco seasoning to give it a little extra flavor. And I like Mexican, so this works out perfectly. All right, now that I have the manwich in there, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat up just a little bit more to about low medium heat. All right, and it is also noteworthy to say I had the water boiling because I'm gonna go ahead and use this Brahmi protein pasta to put this over. Now, if you haven't tried this stuff before, it tastes just the same as regular pasta. However, one key factor, if it'll focus, is that this actually has 12 grams of protein per serving. And in this box, there are 7.5 servings. So, I mean, to me, that works out fantastic. And then I have the 2.5 pounds of ground meat. Everything else is just for flavoring purposes, such as I'm gonna throw in this cheese here in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these diced tomatoes and green chilies in, and then I'm gonna put the lid on. All right, so now this is what it's looking like. I have the diced tomatoes and chilies in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on, let this simmer for a little while. About to start putting in add in the gourmet nacho cheddar cheese sauce. Pasta's done. I already drained it into the colander. Now I'm about to rinse it a little bit. Pasta is just as good as the actual sauce that I'm eating. It's actually stirred up quite nicely. About to find out what I think about it, what she thinks about it. This should be interesting. All right, I'm videoing Maylee's bowl. She didn't want to be on the video.
It's really good.
1 to 10.
10.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
good.
do you like this? All right, let's see. And it does taste pretty good. Dang. Definitely different. It's almost like a Mexican spaghetti.
I know, like